Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Quitman, DeSoto, Sykes, Crandall, Goodwater, and Shubuda. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
And what we're seeing is just breathtaking. All right, well, let's get on the ship, huh?
Okay, let's go.
If Ketchikan was this great, it would be hard to imagine how the other ports of call could be as good. But they were. Our next stop was actually not a port, but a fjord. Our ship slowly sailed into the ever-tightening passage of silky smooth, silk green water called the Tracy Arm. Named after the Secretary of the Navy in the 1890s, Benjamin Franklin Tracy. While in the Tracy Arm, I got to talk with our creation expert, Bruce Malone. Bruce spent 27 years as a research scientist for the Dow Chemical Corporation. His research has resulted in 18 patents, and he's spoken all over the